Most teams think AI is just another tool in the stack, but the real shift, it's how AI is changing who does what and how we build the go-to-market org of the future. We're not just automating tasks. We're redefining the structure of work, from how reps prospect to how marketers create to how CS teams support. It's not just doing things faster, it's doing them differently. Here's how it plays out. First, AI helps us with tasks. Then, it takes ownership of outcomes. Eventually, it reshapes entire functions. And that's when things start to get interesting. Stage 1 is where most teams live today. AI helps you write faster, summarize faster, respond faster. It's a productivity layer, helpful, but still human-driven. Then something shifts. You stop asking AI to help you do the work and start letting it own outcomes. A content agent spins one post into an entire campaign. A prospecting agent qualifies and books meetings. A support agent resolves tickets without human touch. Your job becomes orchestration, not execution. Now we hit the tipping point. As agents take over full workflows, entire departments begin to evolve. Support shifts to experience design. Marketing shifts to signal creation. Sales focuses on high leverage closing. You don't just save time, you rethink the structure of the team. This changes who you hire. You're not building a team of doers anymore. You're building a team of thinkers, orchestrators, and system builders. The AI-native GTM team is leaner, sharper, and outcome-focused. The result? Growth becomes modular. You scale without bloating headcount. You iterate faster. You build GTM systems that compound, not just teams that execute. This shift is already happening. We're seeing startups hit milestones that used to take 20 people, now done by 6. With smarter tools, sharper GTM, and AI running entire motions. The question isn't if this happens for your team, it's how fast you get there. If you're building your GTM engine right now, this is your moment to do it differently. Subscribe to the GTM Vault Wiki. Get full access to the GTM Strategy Course and playbooks. gtmvault.wiki/p/course. Or book a free intro call. Let's talk through your GTM motion. Call.com/rickkoleta/15minute.